This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into the Google account linked to your class. Make sure it's the right school or personal account. Once signed in, open Google Classroom or Drive and locate the assignment folder immediately. Prepare any files you'll use: Google Docs for essays, slides for presentations, sheets for data. This first step sets your workspace and prevents lost work. Once done, organize files into one folder so you can share or submit quickly without hunting later. You'll now create and edit the assignment in Google Docs or the appropriate app. Use editing for final work and suggesting when collaborating. Comments let you ask questions directly. Insert images, citations, or links to support claims because Google keeps everything searchable. Make sure to check version history to restore earlier drafts and enable offline mode before losing internet. This middle phase is where you refine substance and format, so save often and preview the document as you finish by attaching your file to the assignment and hitting submit. Always confirm receipt in Classroom or via the confirmation message. Make sure sharing permissions allow the teacher to view or edit. Convert to PDF if required for consistent formatting. If something goes wrong, refresh the page, clear browser cache, or re-upload the document. As a fallback, download and re-upload a PDF. One key tip: copy the final file to Drive before submission so you retain a backup in case of upload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.